So when it comes to an aftermarket friction set, we feel your pain. The problem started with kits having drag and wear debris. But our quick release program has solved that issue. And now there's a different kind of drag, and that's the drag of carrying too many SKUs. Our quick release program solves 4 different issues for you. Hi, I'm Rick Bochicchio, Vice President of Sales here at Preferred Automotive Components. Today we want to introduce to you our quick release performance kits. Our new patent pending clips have added features for spring back or retraction arms that take that friction off the rotor as soon as you release your brake pedal. Nobody else in the industry even has this feature. It's a patent pending process with added retraction arms for applications not only going forward but also going backwards as well. When you open up that box and you see the new quick release kit in there, don't get nervous. Our clips are going to look different. For one, we're adding a retraction feature. It's going to install the same way. As a matter of fact, it might even install easier, but it's going to eliminate drag and debris. There's another drag we want to talk about. It's inventory. So many different SKUs being added. These OE designs, sometimes they're just getting out of control. We're all forced to follow the old mentality of follow what's in the box at the OE level. That is what's just increasing SKUs and inventory for all of us. We want to help you eliminate that. We feel your frustration. Most of you are stocking all 5 of these kits right here. The mentality of having to have everything as OE designed is what's causing so much kit SKUs and friction SKUs. Our kit allows you to eliminate those. We're giving you features that are going to address drag, but also designing a clip that fits multiple applications, eliminating the need to have 5 different kits. Let's break away from that old mentality of following what's in the box. Eliminate SKUs, eliminate friction sets if you want, your choice, but use our hybrid program to help you do that. Consolidation. With the analysis that we're doing, we are going out, we are purchasing brackets for every application that's added. We're getting all the FSMI friction sets. We're getting all of the clips, and we are reverse engineering these things so that we can consolidate. In the industry today, a simple application might have came out in 1980, has an FSMI number. 2 years later, they figure out they're having an issue. What do? They make a change in the backing plate. They drill holes, they add a wire spring, so now one application becomes 2 FSMI numbers. That friction manufacturer is now making those applications, and actually at the retail side, they're stocking those applications. A couple more years down the line, that same vehicle application with the same style of FSMI backing plate had drilled holes applied to it. What did happen? You added that number, you added another kit because wire form springs were needed. Our kit eliminates the need to do that. You make the choice to offer one application. Number 3, warranty claims. There's so many applications out there that have drag. That's why it's such a high priority today. So let's talk to our installer friends. See the frustration that they have when a vehicle is up on a lift. They have a time frame of 30 minutes to get that car in the door, on the lift, and out the door again. Well, when they come across a problem where the kit doesn't fit or the bracket's wrong, that causes a major issue and ends up being a warranty claim. Warranty claims come out and they just get brushed under the rug. We are solving that issue for you by adding our retraction feature clips. Number 4, kits with just too many parts. In some cases, because the friction manufacturer doesn't know where that part is being used on what style vehicle, they may put multiple parts in the kit. Sometimes there's actually multiple kits in the box. That's because the friction manufacturer doesn't know what vehicle it's going on. So the installer has to cover up on the lift. He's got multiple parts in the box, and he's going through the bag trying to figure out what fits what, and sometimes it doesn't always work. That is frustrating. We are going to solve that problem for you with our quick release hybrid style clip. There's no need for extra parts. What's in the box is what you need. They're smart and they're simple. And don't forget, the main reason why you're getting this quick release program is to solve the drag and debris issue that's plaguing our industry today. Brake systems have almost become commodity items. Everybody's shopping on price. For years, no improvements, no added value, just everybody following what's in the box. Now you have an option. You have a patent-pending quick release performance kit that gives you value add. It's giving you a drag-free clip, it's giving you the ability to eliminate inventory, and it's going to help you reduce those warranty claims. What does that equal? Happier customers.